Welcome in to the Hungry Pop.
Okay, welcome into the Hungry Popper. I appreciate you stopping by. So this afternoon we are going to make some pepper steak and put it over rice, and we're going to have it to eat this week. So not a bad meal. So okay, I got a large skillet warmed up here, and I got a quarter cup of grapeseed oil in there, and it's warmed up, and we are going to cook our vegetables a little bit. So I had a red, a yellow, and an orange bell pepper. Now the recipe calls for 2 bell peppers, but I figured, what am I going to do with an extra bell pepper? And I thought it would give me a little bit more fiber, more vegetable, just add to the dish. So there's that, and then there is a Vidalia onion right here, and we're gonna cook that in there with it. So we're already starting out really good here with bell peppers and Vidalia onions. Those nice sweet onions, they're delicious. So there you have it. Let's get these cooked a little bit. I also have about a pound of sirloin here marinating in the what do you call it, the sweet soy sauce. So there is that. And all right, so we got bell peppers and onions in the big skillet going here, and we're gonna cook those. This really is a very simple dish. So this sauce is none other than 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon and a half of sugar, and a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch, or a tablespoon of cornstarch. I'll have it down below for you. And it's the exact same thing that was made and dumped over this meat as a marinade. So there's that. So if this meat looks a little dark, don't worry. I bought it towards the end of the cycle on purpose, thinking that it would be tender. So there's that. It is still good. I checked. So this is going to be really good, guys. Really good. And I think you'll enjoy this one here. Just one other thing here. Let me do one other thing. I forgot my apron. So let's do that. Let's put that on. Alright, so we got bell peppers and onions in the big skillet going here. And we're going to cook those. This really is a very simple dish. So I kind of lightly stir-fried these vegetables to where they're just like almost there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put just a little bit more oil back in this skillet, any oil you like. And this meat has been sitting here marinating in this sauce this whole time. So let's put her in there. And we're gonna stir fry it. And does it ever smell good, guys? I'm telling you, that smells really good. So we need some more heat going on here. All right, so that's cooking fairly fast, actually. Being cut thin like that, and all that. So let's get this finished back up here a little bit. Let's put the veggies back in here. So this is going to be really freaking good, guys. Really freaking good. Now I got some rice sitting over there in a stainless steel pan, waiting for something to go on top of it. So this, so we just cooked up our veggies to about 80 or 90% of where I want them to be. It may be different for you. And then we added everything in together and dumped the other half of that glaze in there. So we'll just finish this up a little bit here. I mean, this is a fast recipe. This is another one of those that you can make very fast. I'll have the recipe down below, and it gives a prep time and all that, so it's gonna be a good meal, guys. I'm gonna be eating good at work this week here, and pretty reasonably priced, let me tell you. I'm thinking she's pretty well there. Now let me just try a piece of that meat and just give you some 411 on this meat right here. All right, that's it right there. And tender, my goodness gracious, tender. Very good, but the flavor of those peppers, that is some good stuff right there, guys. So the right one's off. Let's shut this one off. That's not terribly hot over there. Let's just move it over here so it doesn't sit there and cook down too much. So let me get a plate and get it served up, and I'll be right back with you. Look at that, guys. That is, I thought I do have a fork right here. And I think I need a little extra soy sauce on there because I kind of like it that way. So let's just do that. And the various colors of the peppers add to the flavor and the aesthetics of it. So I got just a little bit of crunch, yep, which is perfect for me. Okay, so let's take a take. I'm here to tell you, that is some really good stuff right there. That is really good. I believe it was called, the recipe was called Perfect Pepper Steak, and it's right on the money. It's right on. You'll enjoy this recipe. It's quick, it's pretty easy, and it's not that expensive. There it is. I thank you for watching. You have a great day, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.